Hi everybody, this is my 8th video how to learn Python, where we look at conditions. I'm starting by creating list and assign it to variable array1. Then I create for cycle. For cycle is a cycle with fixed number of repetitions. When we write for cycle, the name of variable which will contain actual item from group of items after in. Then follows keyword in and then group of items. In my for cycle, name of first variable is item and items I take from list array1. So my cycle will gradually write items from array1 from hello to free. Next array I create by list comprehension, which you saw in Python lesson about list. This for cycle in brackets create array with 50 items, from 0 to 49. Variable num before cycle is volume which will be added to array. As you can see, after in, I am using method range. The method has just one parameter. It's a number which determines how many times cycle will be repeated and which number variable num contains. When my number is 50, variable num contains numbers from 0 to 49. I am also using range in next for cycle. The for cycle prints first 10 items from array 2. Now I am creating new for cycle which use 3 parameters. First number is starting point of for cycle. Second number is ending point of for cycle. The number was used in range method before. Third number determines how long step for cycle will make. By long step I mean when we have range from 1 to 50 and step is 3, cycle will be repeated only 16 times and variable after 4 acquire only values divided by 3. So my cycle print every third value from 10 to 40. That's all from 4 cycles. Now we look at infinite cycles. Python have only one infinite cycle. Cycle with condition at beginning, in other words, while cycle. While cycle is repeated, while condition which includes is true. So, if we put into condition true, cycle will be repeated until program collapse. My program repeat while variable I is smaller than 10. When I want to prevent infinite cycle, I add 1 to variable I every iteration. Iteration is one pass through cycle. As you can see, program repeats first cycle 10 times. In second cycle, I show you keywords continue and break. As you can see, I subtract 1 from variable I to prevent infinite cycle. I write condition that I use keyword continue when variable I is divided by 3. Keyword continue causes that cycle doesn't continue, that cycle returns to condition and start new iteration. Each command after continue won't be executed. Then I write that I use keyword break when variable I equals 4. Keyword break cause the cycle ends immediately and program start executing commands after cycle. Now you can see at top of output how first for cycle print each item of array 1. Below you can see list comprehension. Specifically, for cycle creates list with 50 items. Below you can see first 10 items of array 2. And then every third number of array 2 in a range from 10 to 40. Below you are seeing output of first while cycle. And at the end, output of second while cycle. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, subscribe my channel. If you have some question, write in the comments.